To manage your TSB Bank overdraft online, you will first need to register for online banking if you have not already done so. This can be done by visiting the TSB Bank website and following the registration process. Once you have registered, you can log in to your online banking account using your username and password. After logging in, you will be able to view your account details, including your overdraft limit and any overdraft fees you may have incurred. To manage your overdraft, click on the account that has the overdraft facility. This will take you to a detailed view of your account, where you can see your current balance, available balance, and overdraft limit. If you want to increase or decrease your overdraft limit, you can do so by clicking on the Overdraft Options link. This will take you to a page where you can request a new overdraft limit. You will need to enter the new limit you are requesting and provide a reason for the change. It is also a good idea to set up overdraft alerts, which will notify you when you are approaching or have exceeded your overdraft limit. This can help you avoid incurring overdraft fees and give you time to transfer money into your account to cover any overdraft. To set up overdraft alerts, click on the Account Settings link and then select the Alerts option. From here, you can choose to receive alerts by email or text message when your account balance falls below a certain amount or when you have exceeded your overdraft limit. In addition to managing your overdraft online, you can also use the TSB Bank mobile app to keep track of your account and overdraft. The app allows you to view your account balance, transfer money, and set up alerts, all from your mobile device. Best practice is to regularly review your account and overdraft to ensure you are not exceeding your limit and incurring unnecessary fees. By managing your overdraft online and setting up alerts, you can stay on top of your finances and avoid any potential issues. It is also a good idea to contact TSB Bank directly if you have any questions or concerns about your overdraft or online banking.